people, welcome back to Child Style. Today it is December 4th, which is my dad's birthday. I won't say the number here just in case he doesn't want people to know how old he is. But it's my dad's birthday and it's a big birthday. Let me just give you that. It's a big birthday. So for today I am going to create a look of his favorite colors, which he told me were blues and reds. So I told him I don't know if I could do a red and a blue look, but we'll find out. And if it's ugly, we can blame Dad, right? Yeah. Alright, so lids and face are primed, so we don't have to worry about that. And I'm just going to go in with the shade Swallow up on my crease. And I'm going to use a buffing brush just because I don't want it on the whole lid. So I'm just going to use this brush, tap off the excess, and go ham into the lid or the crease. This side looks fine, this side, but this side looks like what happened. Can you guys see that? And I use the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. And we're just gonna put that anywhere we don't want the blue. Now we are going to take a flat brush right here, take away the androgyny palette for a second, and use the Venus XL palette by Lime Crime and go into a bit of Aphrodite, which is right here. Much of a darker red than what I was going for, but that's okay. You can always fix it. I'm just gonna brighten this up and I'll be right back. Alright, ready people. So we have brightened it up. All we used is the Cherry Cola shade from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. And if you don't know, cherry soda, not cherry cola, but same thing right there. That's all we used to brighten it up. And I think it is marvelous. Now what we're going to do is I am going to put a little bit of liner, and I'm going to use the NYX Strictly Vinyl in the shade Hazy, and I'm just going to do a little wing. Alrighty, that is the wing. Pretty good for the just easy 1, 2, 3. And then now we're gonna put in this NYX glitter, and we're gonna put that onto the lid as well. And we're also gonna do some glitter glue, so make sure it's going to stay. The last thing we're going to put on is the Dirty Little Secret lipstick in the shade Bottle Rat. It has an interesting shade scent. I would say cotton candy, but not really cotton candy. I wonder if it'll dry. Alright, pretty people. That is about it for today's video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And say happy birthday to my dad in the comments down below. Love you, pretty people, and I'll see you next time on Chasta. Bye, pretty people. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Que lo cumpla feliz. Que lo cumpla feliz. Que lo cumpla. Que lo cumpla. Que lo cumpla feliz. Yeah.